What if you only had 1 year to live? How would you spend your time? It sounds scary, but it could also be a wake-up call for us to start living our lives more fully. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the most of your time and to make it count with a fantastic story. Anthony Burgess was 40 when he learned that he had a brain tumor that would kill him within a year. He had no money at the time and nothing to bequeath his soon-to-be widow, Lynn. Now, Burgess had never been a professional novelist in the past, but he was always aware that he had the talent to be a writer in him. So just to be able to leave at least the copyrights to his wife, he put a piece of paper in the typewriter and began to write his first novel. He wasn't even certain that what he had written could or should or will ever be published, but he couldn't think of anything else to do. So he writes, "It was January 1960, and according to the diagnosis, I had a winter, a spring, and a summer ahead of me. That year, when the leaves begin to fall, I would have died too." Now, with that speed and haste, Burgess had managed to write 5.5 novels before the year was out. E.M. Forster would have only written about almost an entire lifetime worth of works. J.D. Salinger, one of America's greatest writers, managed to write only half of it in his entire life. However, Burgess did not die. His cancer regressed, and then he disappeared altogether. In his long and full life as a writer, he produced more than 70 works. Most famously is what you would know, and I would know, is of Clockwork Orange. He might not have written even one of these novels had it not been for his death sentence that cancer had inflicted on him. So ask yourself, what if you only had 1 year to live? Here's how to make it count, my friends. What if you only had 1 year to live? What would you do with your time? Would you focus it on your career, spend more time with family, spend more time with friends, or travel the world? While it's impossible to know exactly what we would do in that situation, it's important to think about how we want to spend our final year. Now, here are some tips that I think that are important for making the most of your time if you only had 1 year left. And again, it may sound morbid, it's a great exercise to help you think and focus on things that are important for you. So the first thing is make a list of all the things you want to do in the next year, no matter how big or small. If you have only 1 year to live, then it's vital for you to make the most of every moment. Now more than ever, it is the time to start ticking those items off the list, ticking those things off that you've wanted to do for years, but have never had the opportunity. Now make a comprehensive list. Don't hold back. Make a comprehensive list of everything you want to achieve, no matter how big or small. Skydiving, traveling, baking, cupcakes, whatever. And set manageable goals to make sure they all get accomplished within that time frame. Now, once you have your list, put it in a place and goals that you set yourself up, put it in a place where you can see. Come up with an action plan. Don't be afraid to reach beyond what you think it's possible, because it's possible, my friends. Whether it's finally launching that business venture or that consulting business or going on that wild adventure, seize that opportunity and live life to its fullest potential. I know it sounds cliche, but it's so important. Do something new and exciting every day, even if it's just trying just a new recipe or taking even a different route to work. Again, it sounds crazy, but it's so important to get your mind thinking about things like that. Constantly stepping out of your comfort zone can be an incredibly difficult yet a rewarding task on a daily basis. Why not make an effort to do something new and exciting? Again, whatever you decide to do, take a different road to work, talk to somebody new, talk to somebody you've never thought you could reach out to. Do it. Make that phone call. Write that email. Taking the time every day to challenge ourselves in small ways has the potential to open up a world of possibilities that we may never otherwise we would have otherwise overlooked. And it can give us a sense of purpose and drive each day. Making your life count begins with changing your routine and pushing yourself outside of your comfort zone. So why not give it a go? You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So give that a shot. Live each day as if it's your last. Savor the little moments and appreciate the beauty that is all around you. making every day count is a way of life that can bring out a meaningful change for our lives and to our lives. For doctors, it means cherishing the small moments, taking in the beauty of life, and striving to make each day impactful. And we all have so much time on this earth. By starting to live each day as if it's our last, we can ensure that we use our time wisely and don't lose out on the moments that may later become cherished memories. Life is indeed precious, so let us fill with joyous experiences and take pleasure in every little thing that has been given to us, and we have been given much. These changed perspectives can help reshape our daily routines and make not just one year of our lives remarkable, but every single day consequential. And that's really what I strive to be a person of consequence, as they say. Give back however you can. Volunteer your time, my friends. Donate money to causes that you care about, that are important to you and your family. Or simply just spread kindness wherever you go. Make the most of our time, of a lifetime, to make our mark and leave our legacy in this world. What if we only had 1 year left? What could we do in that time that would still make us feel like our life mattered? The answer is giving back. However you can, whether it's volunteering your time or volunteering your energy to those in need, or donating money to causes that we believe in. Every bit counts. Even small acts of kindness, such as making somebody smile with a kind gesture, can make all the difference. Although 1 year may seem like a short period of time, it can still be filled with impactful moments that will be remembered for years to come. So let's use this opportunity to give back on whatever scale we can and leave a lasting impression and a lasting legacy on this world. Ultimately, my friends, what matters most is how we choose to spend our time. It can be intentional. If we can be intentional about living each day to the fullest, we can make our lives count no matter how much time we have left. So take a deep breath, loosen the grip on the things that you can't control, because you can't, and go out there, make your life count. And if you need help making this happen, I am here for you. Reach out to me. If you're interested in taking your life to that next level, schedule your free 1-hour coaching session with me today. I'm a high performance coach. I'm a certified high performance coach, and I'm here for you. So if you're interested about learning what high performance coaching is and how it can help you, and see if it's a good fit for you, make sure you click the link right beside this video, or click that link in the show notes and get on my calendar for a free 1-hour coaching session. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow morning for another morning rounds before your morning rounds. Have a great day. Bye-bye.